Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of the golden ratio. This simple mathematical concept has been a source of inspiration for artists, architects, and scientists alike for centuries. The golden ratio is not just a number, it's a universal principle that governs the way we perceive beauty and harmony in the world around us. From the spirals of seashells to the proportions of the human body, the golden ratio can be found everywhere in nature and art. The golden ratio, also known as the divine proportion, is a mathematical concept that has fascinated artists, architects, and mathematicians for centuries. It is a proportion that can be found in nature, art, and even the human body. The golden ratio is often represented by the Greek letter phi, and has a value of approximately 1.61803398887. To understand the golden ratio, imagine dividing a line into two segments such that the ratio of the longer segment to the shorter segment is equal to the ratio of the entire line to the longer segment. This ratio is the golden ratio and can be expressed mathematically as a plus b slash a equals ab equals phi, where a is the shorter segment and b is the longer segment. Nature is full of examples of the golden ratio, an aesthetically pleasing mathematical proportion that can be found in everything from the shape of a seashell to the arrangement of leaves on a stem. One of the most famous examples of the golden ratio in nature is the spiral pattern found in many shells, including nautilus and conch shells. These spirals follow a precise mathematical formula that creates a visually stunning pattern. Another example is the way branches grow on trees, with each branch splitting into two smaller branches at a ratio of approximately 1.618 to 1. Throughout history, the golden ratio has been used in various forms of art, including architecture, painting, and sculpture. One famous example is the Parthenon in Athens, Greece, which was built using the golden ratio to create a sense of balance and harmony. In painting, artists such as Leonardo da Vinci and Georges Seurat used the golden ratio to compose their works. In fact, Seurat's use of pointillism, a technique that involves painting with small dots of color, is said to be influenced by the golden ratio and its emphasis on patterns and repetition. One of the most common myths surrounding the golden ratio is that it has mystical properties. Some people believe that it can bring good luck or even cure illnesses. However, there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Another myth is that the golden ratio was used extensively in ancient architecture. While it's true that some buildings from ancient times have proportions that are close to the golden ratio, there is no evidence to suggest that this was a deliberate design choice. In conclusion, the golden ratio is a fascinating concept that has captured the attention of mathematicians, artists, and scientists for centuries. From its mathematical definition to its appearance in nature and art, the golden ratio is a ubiquitous presence in our world. While some myths and misconceptions surround the golden ratio, its true significance lies in its ability to inspire and captivate those who study it. Whether you are an artist seeking to create a harmonious composition or a scientist exploring the patterns of the natural world, the golden ratio offers a wealth of possibilities and insights.